Hey, it's Greg here with MaritimeGardening.com. Just a quick video today. We're in the process of packing. We're going on a vacation, my whole family. First time we've gone anywhere since 2018. So really looking forward to a week away. So if you don't see a lot of activity with me on Facebook or YouTube or whatever, that's what's going on. I thought I'd just do a quick video to update you on the state of the garden. Things are thawing out. It's very warm today, as you can see with my clothing. Just yesterday I needed a toque to be outside. Now it's nice. Things are thawing out, and when I get back, I'm going to start my transplants, and I'm going to stick maybe under a dome some spinach and lettuce and stuff like that. I'll be filming all of that. We'll get right back into the whole regular video production and so on and so forth. Just a couple little announcements before I'm gone. I wanted to, for the last year I've had a deal with the Hudson Valley Seed Company. It's an American seed company. I get a lot of viewers in the United States. Over half my viewers are in the United States. So I tried to find a seed provider that would work with me, give the viewers a deal. And anyway, that's, for whatever reason, that'll be over at the end of this month, at the end of March. So if you want the deal is you get 10% off. And if your seed order is over $40, I think, there's details in the description box and all that. If your seed order is over $40, you get free shipping as well if you're in the United States. I'm not sure if that counts for Alaska, but continental anyway. Just check out the details for that. If you want to get that deal and you still haven't ordered your seeds yet and you want to try getting your seeds from them, give that a shot and you'll save 10% off and get free shipping. The other thing is I just wrote an article on my Substack page that'll be coming out on Tuesday at 11 o'clock a.m. my time. It's all scheduled, so I don't have to do anything. I'm not doing anything while I'm away. I'm just fishing and enjoying the sun. We're going to Jamaica. Yeah, it's an article on failure, and it's called "Failure is the Best Guru," and I put a lot of thought into it, and I'm really happy with what I wrote. It's a different kind of article than I typically write, and I decided to make it my Substack page. There's a lot of free articles on it, but if you want to have access to everything, you have to pay. But this one I've made free. Everyone can read it, and everyone can comment on it. So yeah, if you're interested in a short, it's just over 1,000-word article. It only takes about 5-10 minutes to read. If you want to get a little bit of inspiration and a different take on failure, check that article out, and maybe it'll give you some food for thought. Anyway, I got to get going. I can tell it's time to pack the car and get out the driveway and get moving here. So yeah, I hope you find that article interesting. If you can avail yourself of that deal by the Hudson Valley Seed Company, check that out. Of course, my sponsor, Veseys, free shipping for Canadians. Check out the details on that. Make use of that. Free shipping is always good, and I mean that even counts for things like ordering potatoes, and things like apple trees and blackberry trees and so on, the bare-rooted starts. So long as there's one pack of seeds in your order, you get that free shipping, GAVS24. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up here. So thanks for watching. Thanks for everything you do. Thanks for such a great year last year and a great year, hopefully this year. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.